God's creatures and plants. I wonder at times why, when the Creator was at work, did he not consider the problems of giving humanity free will? For at times, so it seems, humanity has gone berserk. For when it comes to God's creatures, there is a desire to kill. I can understand that we evolved as gatherers and hunters, to become pastoralists, but what happened next, with such wanton destruction, I am left somewhat vexed. The problem is that without free will, then maybe there would be no hate. But if you remove emotions, then wouldn't love vanish too? Would we all become robots with the same thought? But we do have free will, and we have to have some debate before the planet is destroyed and naught is left to rue, perhaps starting by exposing the lies we are taught. The first is the suggestion humanity has some right to destroy all else and pretend the benefit is for all. Forests vanishing for coal, eating the light, land ruined and poisoned, leaving only the pall. Chemicals washing through soil to remove and destroy those microbes that once nourished each crop, now sprayed to kill those creatures we used to enjoy. A countryside, like a factory floor to fill the shop. Oceans, where whales once swam further and were free, being killed with the lie it is the benefit of research. If all of God's creatures deserve the same respect as me, then surely they too must have a place in God's church. Should his creatures really be kept in zoos and caged? Why do I feel that all this just leaves me enraged? If all the beauty of God's creatures is to vanish without trace, what does this really say about the human race? To destroy his creatures to me seems the greatest sin, since the destruction will eventually end a world we live in. If we have the power to decide which shall live and which die, does that mean we should use it? And if so, then just why? I watch helplessly, it seems, as coral vanishes from the seas, as turtles ensnared by plastic are so cruelly tortured and killed, lions and elephants slaughtered so that the hunter is pleased. Is all of this needless killing really what God has willed? We say men and women are equal regardless of colour and creed. Yet we pretend that to kill all of God's creatures is no evil deed. If free will really allows humanity to be so cruel, then love needs to counter, else we all play the fool.